Welcome to Week 2 of the Media Challenge Fellowship Program. Week 2 is about Youth Participatory Radio. We teach our amazing fellows the art of doing participatory youth radio using the youth radio format.
It's been an amazing week because personally I'm more inclined to TV, so most of this radio content has been a challenge to me. I've got to learn how to use mostly my voice, and it's really been amazing getting to know how you can articulate words, how you can sound like, because we are told that radio is a theater of the mind.
I've learned how to conduct interviews, and I now know what colleague talks means, then podcasts, I can now edit audio for myself, which I didn't know before.
The second week of the fellowship, it was a week of achieving a lot because I came here having a lot of theory in radio field, but now I think I'm good to go.
Thank you for listening to iRadio. For more story updates, visit our Facebook page iRadio and on Twitter at iRadio. Watch out for our next bulletin coming up at exactly 1 p.m. The drive starts now with Caleb and Anthea.
Good morning, it's 10 a.m. and you are on iRadio. This is the Drive 92 FM. And then we just had the news from Patience. And now I'm in studio with a co-host, Caleb.
Good morning. Hi Uganda. Good morning, Uganda.
Caleb, how's your morning looking?
It's been an amazing experience. I think that, I was very hesitant about, or very reluctant about Radio Week really. But I think I've learned so many things about radio that I didn't previously know.
We've learned a lot. We've also had fun on top of learning.
92 FM iRadio. It is urban, fresh.
Welcome back to iRadio. You're listening to The Drive with Caleb and Anthea. Prior to the music break, we were talking about police brutality and, how to get justice if you feel you have been brutalized.
So do stay tuned. I loved the show today. There were so many opinions. So do give us your feedback on Twitter at Youth Connect and on Facebook at Youth Connect, and email us on youthconnect@mcifm.org. And remember, guys, at the end of the day, we are one big family.